Scientific study of RIG VEDA, class 10. We are going through the first Sooktha of Mandal-1. We have already seen the first 6 mantras. Now we are going through the mantras of 7, 8 and 9. This first mantra is related with AGNI or energy. Through this Sooktha 7, 8 and 9, they are saying some other properties of AGNI. Let us go through one by one. Let us first go through the Sooktha. Sooktha 1, mantra 7, and see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം അധ്യായം 1 സൂക്തം 1 5 ഉപത്വാഗ്നേ ദിവേ ദിവേ ദോഷ ആവസ്തർ ധിയാവയം നമോ ഭരന്ത ഏമസി.
This mantra says that we should, or I should, go through using our intellect and our willpower to do something with the help of AGNI. So we should approach AGNI with intellect and with a firm willpower, and we are doing all types of works during day and night. So during day and night, or throughout all of our life periods, we should approach AGNI with the knowledge, or with the knowledge of science, based on science, and with the willpower. We should approach this AGNI. Then it will came to help us to complete our work. Now let us go through the next mantra, that is mantra 8, and let us see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 അധ്യായം 1 സൂക്തം 1 രാജന്ദമധ്വരാണാം ഗോപാമൃതസ്യ ദീവിവിം വർത്തമാനം സ്വേദമേ.
It says that AGNI is giving the result of any yajna or work. If we are doing any work with some objective, we are getting that result only with the help of AGNI or Urja, or AGNI or Urja is giving us the result. For doing any work, we need energy. Energy means you are moving this finger, we should get energy. That is getting from our foot. So in every action, there is energy is required, and thus in every action the result is obtained from the support of AGNI. Then it says it protects the root. That means it will help us if we will do the work based on definite science. That means if we want to get water, we should mix hydrogen and oxygen and apply AGNI in the proper way. Just heating is not required. Some apparatus may be required. Energy may be in an electrical form or anything like that. So based on science rules, AGNI will do the work. and it will give the result. If we want to cook food, we should give the right material. What all things that are required, that should be given properly, and temperature. This required Agni should be given. Then only it will convert into the required food, and so on. So it strictly follows the rules. Then it will give out light. Agni gives us light by itself. In the filament of bulb, it is first get heated, and thereafter this Agni come out in the form of light. Agni is coming out from the heat in the form of light. Then it expands as per its own wish. This Agni will expand. Expand means it will spread. For example, different types of energies are there. Agni means energy. Different types of energies are there. Light energy. It will propagate through the atmosphere. Sound, it is also propagating. Agni will also spread. For example, if there is a fire in the forest at one point, it will naturally spread throughout the forest. If there is a waste, a huge amount of waste paper, it is not required to put Agni at all points. Just put Agni at one point, then it will spread. So Agni also spreads. This sound wave, light wave, everything is spreading. Likewise, electromagnetic waves are energy, another form of energy. It also is propagating throughout the space. No support, other supports are required. It itself spreads. So these are some other properties of Agni or energy. Now let us go through another mantra, that is mantra 9 in Sooktha 1, and let us see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 അധ്യായം 1 സൂക്തം 1 9 സന പിതവേ സുനവേഗ്നേ സുപായാനോ ഭവ സചസ്യാ നസ്വസ്തയേ.
It says, son can approach his father without any restriction. He can go towards his father, meet his father at any time. Permission is not required. Likewise, we can also approach Agni at any time. There is no restriction. It is ready to help us at any time. If we want to cook food, just go to the Agni. It is ready. It will not say, no, I am not ready now. It will be ready at any time. So, we can approach Agni for its help at any time. So, it is a well-wisher of us. It is a well-wisher of us because it is ready to serve us at any time. And it also thinks about our future, a better future. It thinks to give a bright future to us or a fortune to us. It is ready for the development of our country or the universe as a whole. It is ready for any action. So these are some of the other characteristics of Agni. Now we have completed this first Sooktha. In the next Sooktha, we can see another Devata that we can see in the next class.